I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through. I jumped in the car and it was zoom, zoom.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hannah. So today I'm going to be trying the braid out for the very first time. I will start by loosening each strand of my braids and detangle my hair. After that, I'm going to apply the anti-Jackie's Don't Shrink gel to give it some definition, at least hopefully. I hope it gives me some definition. I already had this braid on for a few days now and I'm going to be working with it because I've not been going out, so I just thought to do this video for a content sake. Yeah, so feel free to correct me in the comment section. After that, I will rebraid it, or I rebraided it, as you can see.
I can't let go. Upside down, she hanging from a pole. I've been throwing bands, I'ma throw a couple more. She gon' try to think like it's fire on it. I can't let go. Upside down, she hanging from a pole. I've been throwing bands, I'ma throw a couple more.
I left the braid on for another few more days, I think 3 to 4 days, because I wasn't going anywhere. These were days that I was just indoor mostly. Then I went ahead and started taking down the braids. Then I'm going to separate my curls and I will show you guys the final result.
Get up, get the Hellcat rolling. Pussy fire, just got the green. Every time I call, it's been trying to me. Ring, ring, I put your name on it. Bling, bling, I put diamond on it. I can't let go. Upside down, she hanging from a pole. I've been throwing bands, I'ma throw a couple more.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. I don't think there's anything more I can do to this hair. I think I tried my best for it to come out as nice as I can, but do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to know when I publish a video. Do not also forget to dislike this video if you feel like, and I will see you all in my next one for sure.